Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful arrangement in Oasis. To make this arrangement in Oasis, I have used a small tray and soaked the Oasis, and to attach it to the tray and to make sure it's secure, I've taped it through the middle really tight to hold it on. And first of all, I would start with the greenery. For this I'm using eucalyptus. And putting it all around. Eucalyptus has a lovely scent. It's one of the reasons why I like using it so much. And once I think I've covered it enough, I then add in my main flower, which is, in this case, is a rose. And just spacing them out around the arrangement. And some can face up and some can face down. So that is the roses. Then I would just add in the secondary flower, which is this one. And these are called chrysanthemums. And the next flower I would add is the solidago. I always try and hold the oasis or the arrangement here just to make sure it doesn't move and you don't snap any stems. I have some other filler flowers here. I've got orangium, which I think I'll put on the top. And some aster. These have slightly softer stems, so they're a bit more tricky to pop into the oasis. And that one's coming up just a bit too much, so I'll just cut that. Try not to do that too often because then there's too many holes created in the oasis. And there you have a beautiful arrangement and oasis. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.